You think big moments define your life. They do not. 1% better each day becomes 37 times stronger in a year. 1% worse becomes nearly zero. This is not motivation. This is mathematics. The gap between who you are and who you could be lives in the smallest choices. Thinking before reacting, reading instead of scrolling, preparing instead of hoping, listening instead of waiting to speak. You chase dramatic change while ignoring quiet discipline. Success is not built in grand gestures. It is carved in micro moments when no one is watching. The strong make right choices automatic. They build systems around weakness. They deposit discipline daily and watch character compound like interest in an ancient vault. Your life is not shaped by what happens to you. It is shaped by how you handle what happens to you. Every ordinary moment is a chance to respond extraordinarily. Great lives are built from small stones placed with precision. That is the marble mindset.